What's up, everyone? Today we're going to draw a pot and tulips. Let's start with the leaves. Draw two curved lines that meet at a point. Add a third curved line. The overlapping line indicates a bend in the leaf. Let's draw the second leaf. We'll draw the stem of the tulip with two lines. Then draw a long squiggly line and a big C-shaped line, followed by another squiggly line. These are going to be the first petals of the tulip. Let's draw more petals with more squiggly lines. Now, let's add another tulip blossom. We draw the stem and tulip petals the same way we did in the first tulip. And the same way we're going to draw the third tulip. Next, we'll do the flower pot. Draw a long line enclosing the top of the pot. Add curving lines for the front and the back of the pot. Finish with a rectangular base. Let's add a few curving leaves behind the flowers. And there you have it, folks. We've just drawn a beautiful pot of tulips together. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe for more drawing tutorials. We've got plenty more where this came from. Until next time, happy drawing.